Hello everyone, dear student. This is the last video for the chapter N with NE. Now, in the last video, you have studied that finally Marilla and Matthew was ready to keep the girl in their home, and after a long conversation between Marilla and Anne, finally Matthew told Marilla that this girl looked very tired, so we have to give her a place to sleep the night. So finally Marilla asked to follow her, and now the girl Anne was following her to her chamber to stay that night, and she found that very cleaner chamber where she has to spend the night. Now let's see. Marilla went slowly down to the kitchen. Very slowly, Marilla went down to the kitchen. धीरे धीरे Marilla किचन की तरफ बढ़ी and proceeded to wash the supper dishes. And she proceeded to wash the supper dishes. Then she started to wash the dishes. Dishes means यहाँ पे बर्तन, रात का डिनर वाले बर्तन. Well, this is a pretty kettle of fish, she said wrathfully. Wrathfully means angrily. And then very angrily she said that this is a pretty kettle of fish, means to say that it is a very unpleasant situation for them. This girl will have to be sent back to the asylum. And she said Matthew that we must send back her to the asylum because we can't keep her in our house, so you sent her at the asylum. She was not agree at that time. Yes, I suppose so, said Matthew reluctantly. Reluctantly means unwillingly, and unwillingly Matthew said, I also suppose so. You suppose so? You suppose so? Don't you know it? Then, in anger, Marilla asked her, You suppose so? अभी तुम इसको suppose कर रहे हो. You are thinking about it. Don't you know it? क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता है, नहीं मालूम है कि हमें उसे रिटर्न भेजना चाहिए? Well, now she's a real nice little thing, Marilla. Well, now she's a real nice little thing, Marilla. Then Matthew said, but I think she is not a bad thing. She's a nice thing. It is a kind of a pity to send her back. And he said that उसे वापस भेजने में मुझे कुछ I am looking very pitiful to send her back. When she has so set on staying, वो भी उस समय जब रुकने के लिए सेट हो रही है, सेट हो कर चुकी है. In this condition, if you will send her, it is not looking good, he said. Matthew Cuthbert, you don't mean to say you think we ought to keep her? Very angrily, Marilla said. Matthew Cuthbert, you don't think that we ought to keep her? क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि तुम्हें कहना चाहते हो कि हमें उसे रखना चाहिए? Marilla's astonishment could not have been greater if Matthew had expressed a predilection for standing on his head. Astonishment means surprise. Expressed means व्यक्त करना, और प्रेडिलेक्शन, एक्सप्रेस्ड ऑफ प्रेडिलेक्शन मीन्स खुद की पसंद को दिखाना, एक्सप्रेस करना. फॉर स्टैंडिंग ऑन हिज हेड. Marilla's astonishment could not have been greater, and at that time Marilla's surprise could not have been greater. बहुत अधिक उसकी सरप्राइज नहीं होती, वो बहुत अधिक सरप्राइज उसका नहीं बढ़ता अगर मैथ्यू वहाँ पर अपनी लाइक को भी शो कर देता कि यस ही इज आल्सो रेडी, ही इज रेडी टू कीप हर एट द होम, बट that was not it. It was not expressed by him there. We might be some good to her, said Matthew suddenly and unexpectedly. But after some time, Matthew said, he said suddenly and unexpectedly that we might be some good to her. हमें उसके साथ कुछ अच्छा बनना होगा. We have to see good behavior with her. Matthew Cuthbert, I believe that child has bewitched you. Bewitched means होता है impressed. Here, impressed. Marilla said, Matthew, I think that this girl has impressed you, or you have been impressed by this girl. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मैथ्यू से मरीला ने कहा कि तुम कुछ उस लड़की से ज़्यादा ही इम्प्रेस तो नहीं लग रहे हो. I can see as plain that you want to keep her. And very clearly I can see you at your face. Very clearly I can see on your face that you are ready, you are making your mind to keep her here. I have never brought up a child. Then Matthew replied that he has never brought up child, especially a girl, and now he indicates to Anne कि मैंने कभी किसी बच्चे को और स्पेशली गर्ल्स को मैं नहीं लाया हूँ. एंड आई डेयर से आई विल मेक अ टेरिबल मिस ऑफ इट. और बता रहा है कि आई डेयर से, इसलिए मैं हिम्मत करके बोलता हूँ दैट आई विल मेक अ टेरिबल मिस ऑफ इट. Very terrible mess of it I will make here, but I will do my best. But he also promised that he will do his best. So far as I am concerned, Matthew, she may stay. So far as I am concerned, जहाँ तक मैं इससे जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, मैं इसके लिए बेस्ट करूँगा. Matthew, she may stay. वो यहाँ रुक सकती है, ठहर सकती है. Matthew's shy face was a glow of delight. इतना सुनते ही मैथ्यू का जो फेस था वो प्रसन्नता से चमक उठा। वेल नाउ आई reckoned you had come to see it in that light. And then he said, well, I expected that you would come to see it in that light. Marilla, he said, she is such an interesting little thing. And now, finally, the brother and sister were agreed to talk about the girl there. Definitely, she is a good girl, a very interesting little thing. There is no problem to us to keep her at our home. She is definitely a very interesting, a very nice girl. Finally, therefore, this chapter has completed and has written by Lucy Maud Montgomery. Okay.